I'm Daria and you're watching Vacation Diaries. I'm gonna take you to many cool places. This is my godfather Aldi Dada. You know, I just turned 5 and I just got my ears pierced. I'm gonna pierce my ears and we're gonna go to the play area. I have picked this pink one. I picked butterfly earrings for my ears. I'm gonna pierce my ears and it's super cool.
Be good, okay? You'll be fine. Strong girl. Justice.
I've never tried it. You tell me to not. You tell me when to not look. I was very nervous, so was Aldi Dada. My mama was holding me while I got my ears pierced. They cleaned my ears first and they marked the spot with the pen. I felt like I was going to cry. I just couldn't help myself. They put a gun in my ear to make holes. Hurting quite a lot.
Good job.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Good job. No more, no more.
It's done, baby. It's done.
Don't cry because look. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
It's okay. See, it was just a split second.
Like a prick, right? Oh my God.
So beautiful.
What do you think, Daria?
Nice.
The second ear piercing was more frightening because she pierced it in the wrong place. It had to be removed and I was crying so much. Put a gun in my ear. I just pained a little bit. Then she had to clean my ear to put it in the right place. I was crying and I couldn't stop. I held my breath when she pierced it again. It was finally done.
Oh God, it's so traumatizing.
It was scary and I cried, but I was glad that I did it. I'm so glad that I can wear earrings now. There are many beautiful palm trees at the beach, even at Santa Monica. The next day I was back at the beach. I loved playing in the sand and watching the sunset in the Ferris wheel. Vacation Diaries. My friends came to the beach with me and we had so much fun. I love LA. I like to chill out with my mom and walk everywhere. To the beach. I spent many days days on the beach. I love hanging out in LA, jumping in the wet sand, running and enjoying the sunshine. Come vacation with me in LA. I'm Daria and you're watching Vacation Diaries. LA is such a super cool place. This is one of my best holidays ever. Keep watching Vacation Diaries.